God.
I was looking like a zombie, literally after the sutures, no?
And it's raining here, so checking into Visakhapatnam today. So yeah, good morning guys, I hope you guys are doing extremely well, and good morning YouTube. Okay, so today I am here at Pegasus Resto Cave. It is one of my friends' Resto Cave, so I just came here to have a meetup with couple of bikers. So I got this invitation, so I came all the way from Rajahmundry. So yeah, let's move. And I think already, so we have Chandrasekhar here. So last time when Kaka came, if you can go to my Instagram profile and check Mr. Pramod Mahajan, who was on his All India ride. So he came to Vizag, so he was also the person behind everyone who took all the responsibilities. So hi Chandu. So yeah, let's move inside. So here is Adnan Bhai.
Hello, hello.
So Adnan Bhai, thank you so much for inviting.
No, bhai, it's our duty, and we have met after a very long time. It's almost after a gap of 2 years.
Exactly. And he has been the most wonderful soul. Like every time he has been supporting every biker and everyone who were on the roads. So he's a host from Visakhapatnam city, and not exactly a host. He's been a wonderful person like every time.
We are just brothers, and I am very close to Raj, Chandrasekhar, Harish and all guys. So for me, people matters a lot, and we are just like brothers.
Yeah, so if you really need something from Vizag, you can definitely ping him up on Facebook. His name is Adnan
Sabuwala.
Exactly, yeah, Adnan Sabuwala. So thank you, Adnan bhai. We'll move on to the next person. So looks like people are already talking here. Okay, so you are the guys who has been mentioned in the group. Okay, so hello. Can you please tell me about yourself, what exactly you do?
Myself, Kritika, I'm actually a security professional.
Okay.
I have the passion towards riding, and I just mingle up my art forms and biking together. I'll tell it in detail.
Sure, definitely we'll move on to that side. So we have our famous personality from Vizag. I mean, she used to be a very fearful person. She mentioned, well, which I got to know just now outside. So over on to you. Her name is
Meena.
Yes, Meena. Yes. Can you please remove your mask? We all are vaccinated. Yeah. Please.
So I am basically a business development consultant.
Okay.
And a psychology student, and I'm a trained track racer. Track racer. Okay. So can you please tell me about your experiences, how it has been, because we guys will be talking. Yeah, we will definitely, but it's for my vlog, so it is going to be on YouTube. Yeah. Experiences as in what you want to know.
I mean, how it all started.
Oh, it all started with a dire desire to get food for dogs. So I was completely I never knew how to ride or anything at all. But I was kind of passionate towards biking. But I was always stopped by my cousins and all saying that disc brake hai gir jaogi. That is the only thing I always heard. So I was like, disc brake hai gir jaogi.
Maybe वो लोग गिर गए थे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हम नहीं गिरे.
And then I didn't know how to ride or anything, and then I kind of saw the key and I was like, okay, let me Google how to ride a bike.
Okay.
Then I Googled, and I did not understand a piece of it. Obviously, all I understood was gears were required to move forward. So that one thing I understood, I was like, okay, let's go and figure out what's this all about.
Okay.
I took the key, I went there, and as soon as I moved, shifted to the first gear, the gadi stopped automatically. So I was confused. Okay, this is exactly what was written. Then I'm doing it, it's not happening. And then after 5 minutes, watchman to bacha he comes and he's like, really vada bandi stand safety. I'm like, oh, okay, good idea. I removed the stand and bike started. That's how my entire riding journey started, I think. Post that, I got so itchy. I was like, teach me to all of my friends, and they were like, no. And then I actually kind of stole his key again, the friend's key again, and then I started going out to towards Shamalpet, because his place is Nagaram.
Okay.
And then he got so scared, he was on the car behind me. And after a while, he was like, "Kal track day hai, let's go together if you're so interested." And then that's how I met Motivation Track, the PACE crew. And they were like super funny, super witty, and they didn't really teach me. They were like, learn.
Learn, okay.
They just let me go.
Okay, is it in
They
Chicane?
Sorry?
Chicane.
Yes, Chicane.
Okay.
Chicane is very dear to my heart for that very reason.
Okay. Yeah, sure, definitely. Please learn from this. Humble request. So yeah, moving on to, okay. Sir, please. No.
I'm not a big rider like you.
But I have heard stories from Adnan bhai. We had our lunch together. So please.
Yeah.
So please tell me about yourself. What you do.
This is Sridhar here. I was into adventure tourism.
Okay.
So most of my things are into cycling. So I do a lot of cycling, long distance cycling. I do camping, trekking, biking, all sort of adventure activities, rappelling and all that sort of.
Okay. How it started?
It started, I was basically from childhood I was into nature. I love nature a lot. So that took me to all these type of activities.
So you want to tell something to the audience?
See, I want to tell just if you have a passion, just make it. That's it.
Okay.
Don't look backward.
Okay, people, the thing here is that people will be, afraid, like, log kya kahenge? If people say you won't be able to do it.
Nothing like that. And when I traveled solo on all the Himalayas region and everywhere, and I got a Guinness World Records also.
Oh my God!
So
this is something new. Okay.
See, that's what, when you have a passion, just make it. Don't look backward. That's it.
Great. Thank you. So, huh? Okay.
Like we are from Visakhapatnam basically, and we doesn't have Sampath, Rajkiran, Chandrasekhar. They belong to riding fraternity group actually. Today we have a very good young dynamic powerhouse female rider, Kritika. As Amit Rai told, Kritika is from Chennai and she rides with a purpose, ride and perform. And she is a classical dancer, trained Bharatanatyam dancer, black belt in karate and Kalai, and yoga trained. So let's hear from Kritika. Please, Kritika, say something. One of the most interesting journey.
I would say that I actually started my ride because of Amit Rai. So actually, I was having R15 in the initial period, and then for doing record rides, I started and actually bought Bajaj and and I was always passionate about different kinds of art forms. I was trained in martial art from childhood, and then Bharatanatyam I started like 5-6 years back, and then it led to Mohiniyattam and then Kathakali and also a bit of yoga. So I thought, why don't I mix all my passion together to make something innovative? And then I started with Mission Ride and Perform. So the main goal of Mission Ride and Perform was to create awareness among people. Like rather than spending money on clothes or entertainment, cinema, other things which is very expensive, we can spend money on any kind of art forms which is going to be helpful for our future. Like in case if I lost a job also, I can have a class and earn my bread. Not only that, even for your fitness and mental health, it plays a major role. And I'm also connected spiritually a little bit. Not that much, I don't go to temple, but I believe in positive vibes and those kind of things. So I did my ride covering 5,000 kilometers from Chennai to Chandigarh. So like 1.5 years back, I had a program in Assam, Guwahati. That was a Bharatanatyam performance. So I thought, why don't I ride? So while I go to Assam, performed there and then came back, whereas I completed my East course. So this time I thought, let me take my West course. So from Chennai to Kanyakumari. From Kanyakumari, I did the West course. Then Udaipur, Delhi, and then I ended it in Punjab, for which I got the India Book of Records. The main the thing is, like, I rode from Chennai, visiting various cities. Like I covered 18 cities. I performed in 18 cities, all the six different art forms. I mingled up all the art forms together. Cinema was also one of it. Cinema was the one which you do this thing. It's a Tamil martial art form. So I mixed all together in a single performance. So it will be only up to 5 to 6 minutes. And then I performed in various cities. Best part was like flash mob is not very famous here in our country, right? But then it was not a flash mob, it was a street performance. So in Kanyakumari and all, it's very auspicious place for me because like 3 oceans where it comes together, and I performed there in an open place. I don't know anyone there. Riders like you randomly they joined, and we got permission on the spot from the police, and I had a chance to perform there. Not only that, while I was heading towards Pune from Goa, I had an accident. Early morning hours, the roads were very smooth, and all of a sudden it went off-road. I was not able to see. I went and hit myself with a huge rock. And I had a big opening here, covering my eyes. Even my eyelid was torn completely. And I had 11 sutures inside and 13 sutures outside. I don't know whether you're able to break it out. I went to the government hospital. First, I went to the district hospital. They said it's a complicated one, we won't be able to do it. And then around 9:30, I went to Goa Medical College, the government hospital. They did a great job. At 11:30, I started back on the same date. By God's grace, you know how much drugs they give, right? I was not feeling giddy, nothing. I had stickers for my ride to give to all the riders. When by going in ambulance, nobody was there. Only I was there. Even one helper would be there. Since it was a remote place, nobody was there to help. And when I closed my eyes, I was literally able to see the picture of my sticker. Then I realized, okay, this is not a simple thing, and I have to complete it. So on the same day I started. One day was delayed after that because I was not able to reach Pune. So the previous day I stayed in Kolhapur, and then I was able to complete the ride in South. So you were going to see it? Sorry? No. I was crossing Ampuli Hills. I was riding with one eye. Chennai is not a place where we are not used to guards much. But I don't know, some spiritual thing was there. I was able to complete it. And coming to Mission Ride and Perform, Brahmotsavam is one of the major things which has happened in Tirupati. So, 2 years back, I cycled from Chennai to Pick. It's not a very big thing for those. It's a very short distance, only 180 kilometers. So I rode 180 kilometers. I was not able to climb the hill. It's bad actually. So I left my cycle in the footpath. And then I got a great opportunity to perform in the Brahmotsavam in front of the Garuda Seva. Nobody will get that opportunity. And then on the same night I started and came back. So this is all about me. And I also would like to show the picture of how it was there. I was able to see my boat.
So after that you are riding on the same day?
Yeah, on the same
day. After 2 years,
I was looking like a zombie, literally after the sutures, no? I performed in many NGOs and all. I mean, like many ashrams, those kind of places with the sutures. And for Bharatanatyam, they think that you should be dressed up well and all. But whereas here, I did not dress up well. I had no makeup. I had 2 dhoti pants and a kurta. With the same only, I rode and then I put on. And one more thing, before I was supposed to start my ride on Sunday. The previous Saturday, my father passed away. So then, you know how the situation will be. But then my mom was very strong enough, and she said exactly after, because for 31 days we were not supposed to go because of all the rituals. Exactly after 31 days, on January 14th, mom allowed me. She was like, okay, you don't stop anything for anybody, you better go. So I should be very thankful for my mom and this and Thank you so much.
If you add up, she is the only better and
since last 4 years.
That's great.
If you work in
Wow.
And thank you so much for
No, it's an honor for us.
Thank you so much.
Great.
This is a small token of love.
So the host for today will definitely talk after this. Yeah.
I'm happy that I had a great opportunity to meet you all.
Professional physiologist and professional pro horse rider.
So these are the two token of love from Kritika. Thank you so much. So I'll definitely share this on the channel.
So I thought of going for a trek. I couldn't do that. I have directly gone to Everest Base Camp. Yeah.